And welcome back. Well, October 15th, that's just 2 weeks from today, marks the annual enrollment period of Medicare. Finding the best health plan for you and your family can be challenging. So here to help you better understand your choices is a nationally recognized advocate, Karyne Jones. Good morning to you, Karyne.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you for being here. Let's talk a little bit about this dual special needs plan. It's something I hadn't heard about, and it sounds like a lot of people don't know about. It's also referred to as a dual plan. What is it?
Well, you and 8 out of 10 people who are now receiving Medicare and Medicaid hadn't heard of it, and that's why we're doing this national awareness campaign to make people understand that they might be leaving available and accessible services, health services, that we don't want that to happen, such as vision tests, dental exams, hearing tests, a lot of things. And so we want people to know that when they're applying for Medicare or Medicaid, or if they're already receiving it, that they should find out if they're eligible for these dual plans.
Well, and I think it's an important thing to note that 80% of people who are eligible are not enrolled in one right now. I think that's a shocking number. So why should someone consider? You mentioned that there are these added benefits. Do they come at a cost?
No, they don't, and that's why we're trying to get the word out so that people understand that if they apply for one of these dual plans, that it could be at no cost to them. If they're eligible, and it varies from state to state, they could be missing out on getting an eye exam and on going to the dentist and, of course, hearing tests and all of those things which are vitally important to just preventive care. So we're making sure that we get the word out. Again, it varies from state to state, so we ask people to go online to getdual.com, or they can call 855-799-3199 and get more information on eligibility.
And Karyne, we'll share that number in just a minute, but people can also have more access to doctors, more access to hospitals in the area. So how do people enroll? When do they enroll?
Well, the good news is that it's not like other health plans where there's a certain amount of time. If you're applying for one of these dual plans, you certainly can do it at any time. So don't be discouraged with that, and you'll be able to get more information, again, on what services might be available. Again, it varies from state to state, but most importantly, how you might not be, missing out anymore on services that are available to you. So we're encouraging people to really look at these dual special need plans.
I like that. And I know you say it varies from state to state, but do you know if it's available at all in Wisconsin? I assume then there's some coverage.
Absolutely. Yes, it's available nationwide in every state. And so I would encourage people in the Wisconsin area to, again, go online to getdual.com or call that number, 855-799-3199. If not for you, for your parents, your grandparents, your neighbors, whomever, to make sure that we're not taking advantage of these additional health services that would improve their health and save them money.
So I want to go over some of those things again. It offers additional benefits such as dental, hearing, vision coverage, more doctors, more hospitals, and then people can go online and they can actually read all of the benefits or speak to someone, right? Because I think about my mom who has hearing issues, and sometimes she can't hear that well on the phone, so she may need to read it, where someone with vision issues may need to speak to someone on the phone.
Absolutely, and then they'll be able to tell them if they qualify for this dual plan, what benefits are available to them. It's important that people know, because as I just said, 8 out of 10 people who are receiving Medicare and Medicaid aren't taking advantage of these dual plans. So we want to make sure we get the word out, and that people can look into making sure that, again, they're not leaving out these additional health services.
Absolutely, and all those additional benefits you mentioned may come at no additional cost, so it's so important for people. We're going to give that information, but I want to thank you for joining us this morning, Karyne. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely. Here's the information so that you can call or check online to Get Dual. GetDual.com at 1-855-799-3199. That's the phone number in your area. Again, it's for the Dual Special Needs Plan, or just called Dual Plan.